What's up my fellow traders, hope you all having an awesome day. Sorry I couldn't post a video yesterday due to a family emergency, and I would like to thank everyone who DM and checked on me yesterday. I really appreciate it. I assure you that everything is fine now. So let's resume our business, starting with nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. So what do we have right here on nat gas? As you can see, the price is just ranging in between this area of value, just pushing up and down from in between this area of value. Now, if you remember yesterday, I've said that if the price breaks and close above, we have a good bullish signal. That did not happen, and price broke below and fall down. Now it is in the level of support that from where the price previously bounced up multiple times. That is why I'm paying attention to the zone. If we get a reason to enter here, I've just returned the zone in case you missed it. It's 2.478 goes into 2.561. I have these zones on the charts, and now I will only look for sell trades with pullbacks. So I'm expecting some pullback from here. Looking at the fact price has now hit the level of support, you can get few green candles, possible hit of 50 EMA or 20 EMA. If the price did not hit the EMAs but still give you a pullback of few green candles followed by bearish engulfer, we are still good to go short. So I won't be buying unless and until I see a good reason to buy, which is a good push down in the zone with next bullish engulfing pattern or a complete double bottom formation. So when a price is in the area of value, I just don't start buying. I'm just expecting a good bounce, which I call a pullback followed by bearish engulfer, and then price can still come back in the zone, and then I look for buy reason. If I don't see any sort of buy reason, I still look for sell opportunities, only looking at the fact price is now trading below both the EMS. So my main target is to look for sell trades with a pullback unless and until I get a good reason to enter something like this. If you see in the past, we had a nice bullish engulfer and then price bounced up from here. So that is what I'm looking at for nat gas. Keep an eye here, have these zones, and once we have a condition, we are good to go short or long. Now here on the price is a little bit below, the support is a little bit below the price, and just want to give you the zone here is 2.375 goes to 2.493. Now we also have a 50 EMA here on daily time frame aligning with the support area as well. We have a similar on capital.com. So exactly the same, we are only looking for sell opportunities with a pullback followed by bearish engulfer, and if I see a good reason to enter something like this, as you can see, a nice double bottom action, if I see a reason like this, we are good to go long. Now the reason I'm saying that why I want to see short and long trade, if you see here the price hit the area of value previously here, but before that it gives a bearish engulfer and then price push down and then hit the area of value and form a bullish engulfer and then the price push up. So keep looking exactly this type of situations here. All I want to see a condition to enter, sell or buy a trade. Mainly I'm looking for sell trades because the price is now below the EMAs with a pullback, and then we start to look for buy condition from this area of value. So have these zones in charts. Any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. Let's check gold. Gold has now pushed down, and we had lots of news events, dollar news events today, and that pushed the market hard towards the downside. Now if you see the price broke above, we did not have an engulfing candle, but we had a break above, and then that pushed the market upwards, which is enough to hit your target if you trade these type of pattern. If you want to check that out, it is uploaded in my playlist. So at this point price is bearish, and we had a good momentum below the previous resistance area. So what I want to see, a good pullback and then a continuation towards the downside. Now I have a new zone, a support area below, which is right here. It's 1893.37 goes up to 1910.62. So this is an area. If the price falls dramatically, in that case I will go long. A very good zone to enter your long trades. For now we can get few more red candles followed by pullback and then bearish trades. Only look for bearish opportunities, not buying gold as long as his price is trading below the EMAs or it hit the zone, or if we have a dramatic push up above both the EMAs. For now just look for pullback and bearish trades only. We can get a retest and then a possible formation of bearish engulfer, or if you plot your fib tool here, let this candle closed first before you plot the fib tool. Once this candle is closed on daily time frame, then once the candle is closed, use the tip of the candle and then go right above to the zone and then look for the 50% pullback wherever the candle is closed. Adjust that accordingly. With that we can get a possible push down. Aggressive entry would be 50% retracement. Target will be 180 or 1.618 retracement. So look for that. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short. Next one we have silver. So I'm only going to look for pullback trades once we have a complete break and close above. Price can head higher. Right. So the reason I said that I want to see a complete break above this previous high so that we have a confirmation that price wants to push up and buyers keep on pushing the market higher. So that is why I was looking at this area, and we did not have a break above certainly, and price just pushed down. That is why I look for the condition very closely and I don't buy randomly. But we had a good bounce out of the area of value I've mentioned, and we had a nice push up from here, but price did not want to make a new high. So that is why conditions are very important. Silver is still in the area of value, so all I want to see pullback, bearish candle, and still go long. If you have a very good reason like a bullish engulfer within this area, a strong bullish engulfer that covers the previous candle with a wick and the body as well, in that case we have a good buy signal, then we can expect a possible bounce and then fall again. So that is what I'm looking at for silver. If you have a condition here, we are good to go, short or long. Last one, we have crude oil. Perfect. So what do you see here right at this candlestick pattern? We had a pullback, a nice pullback of few red candles followed by a bullish engulfing candle. This is a strategy my members and my full MMT course are learning with full 6 rules, and all 6 rules are met. A very good example of pullback strategy, price pushed up nicely. So that is how we enter the trade, and if you follow me from a couple of years, you know I look for conditions like this very closely when the price is pushing up between the area of value. A good winning trade if you have followed this pattern. You should have these zones on your charts. I've already sent the updated zones to my members right here, which is 81.37 goes up to 83.22. Once the price hit this zone, I'm expecting a very good fall out of this area, as this is a very good supply zone, a seller's area from where I'm expecting a good fall. So have these zones on your charts. Once the price hit this zone, look for bearish pressure, bearish engulfers, double tops, or a 382 candle. Inverted hammer is also one of my entry conditions. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.